Hello everyone, in this video I want to go through replacing the rear tail light bulb on a 2006 Toyota Sienna LE. Before we begin, one of the hardest parts of doing this is finding out the part number you need to buy for the burnt out bulb. The manual doesn't even include the correct part numbers. So I researched this a lot and put together this diagram with the correct part numbers for this van. I've also included links to buy these in the video description. I hope this saves you some time. I'll also put a link to my other video on changing the stop tail light on the side of the van. Alright, so here's the light that's out on my van. Pop open the rear door hatch and we're going to pry back the trim. I use this plastic pry tool, but a screwdriver might also work. Just take care not to scratch the paint. The goal here is to not have to remove the entire trim piece. Also, just a tip, if you can do this in the summer, that would be best, or at least in a warm garage. This will make it less likely for the plastic clips to become brittle and snap. There are about 4 or 5 of these plastic clips that you've got to pop out. Then there's a large plastic hook at the bottom. Now, if you have small hands and arms, or access to a pair of long needle nose pliers, you may be able to reach in and twist this bulb out to replace it. This is the tail light, and this is the reverse light. If your hands are too big, you've got to press this lower plastic hook backward to release it. Now, I managed to crack the plastic hook. Not enough finesse. If you don't want to risk this, then you'll need to remove the entire back cover and the strap handle with a 10mm socket. Pop out all the clips, then lift the trim upward to unseat the 2 big plastic clips at the bottom. Alright, now with the trim loose, reach in and twist the bulb housing clockwise to remove it. Gently pull out the old 194 bulb. You might want to wear gloves for this in case the bulb shatters in your fingers like mine did. If this happens, use a needle nose pliers to pull out the remains of the old bulb. Now we can put in the new 194 bulb. 168s will work here too. They'll be just a little brighter, being about 5 watts instead of 4. 194 is the OEM bulb in this position. These bulbs are used in other locations in the car as well, so I bought a 10-pack. I'm already down to 5. Now, you can wear gloves for installing the new bulb if you want. These bulbs don't get as hot as halogen bulbs, so probably won't shorten the lifespan if you don't want to bother with it. Alright, so that's it. Now let's put the trim back on. If you get one of these clips that doesn't stay in the trim like I did, just pull it out and slide it into its slot. Then put the hook back in and press the plastic clips back into place. And that's it. I hope you found this helpful. If so, please like and subscribe for more helpful videos about this van. Until next time, all the best.